Can a robot smell a gas leak, even when a human can't? Robots don't have noses, so how do they detect smells? Today we'll discover how robots detect chemicals in the air. Instead of a nose, robots use gas sensors. A gas sensor is a small electronic part that reacts when certain gases are nearby. Think about your own nose. When you smell fresh popcorn, tiny particles travel through the air and enter your nose. Your brain recognizes the pattern and tells you, that smells like popcorn. A robot follows a similar process. First, tiny gas particles reach the robot's sensor. The sensor reacts and creates an electrical signal. An electrical signal is a small message that travels through the robot's electronic system. Next, the robot checks the signal. If the signal matches a known pattern, the robot can decide, this may be smoke, or there may be a gas leak. Then the robot takes action. It could sound an alarm, send a warning, turn on a ventilation system, or tell a person to check the area. The process is detect, identify, respond. Here's the cool part. Scientists use robot sensors to detect dangerous gases in places that may be unsafe for humans. Some robots can help find gas leaks in factories, tunnels, and damaged buildings. Now you know that robots don't smell the same way humans do. They use gas sensors to detect tiny chemicals in the air. Then they turn that information into electrical signals and use programs to decide what to do. That is how a robot can smell its environment. You've learned how robots detect invisible chemicals in the air. Follow to learn robotics from absolute beginner to advanced. Next lesson, how do robots hear sounds?